Let's say you want to open your URL or website within your Unreal Engine. If I go play, I will show you how I just did it. I will go F11, and you can see when I go Shift F1 to enable my mouse, I click open website and it will open my channel website. Also, you can see that over here I have this trigger volume that will also open the website. So I'll show you two ways how to do this, and if I go play, I can show you that if I go over here, it will again open the website. And this is what we are going to do in this quick tutorial, so let's start. The first thing we want to do is to create a button. If you already have a button, you can just skip this part and go straight to the functionality. And if you don't know how to create a button, stick with me. Let's create one button. Simple, very simple. Right click over here in your content folder. Try to find this user interface and find this widget blueprint. And click user widget. And we can name this as we want and hit enter. Now double click this widget. And now we need to add one canvas and one button. To add a canvas, you can add button immediately, but it will be big and you will not be able to position it. Canvas, one canvas panel, just drag and drop it. This will represent your screen in Unreal Engine. And let's go type in button and just drag and drop the button inside your canvas. And we want to make it a little bigger. And when you have your button selected, over here under the anchors, select this top left corner, and you can hold, it says hold shift to update the alignment and hold control to update the position to match. So you can hold shift or hold control to update the alignment over here. And we can move this here, and now we'll add one text. Drop it inside, it says text block. We'll set that this will be our open website, like this. You can now go compile, go to third person, hit play. And we don't see our button when we are in a play mode, so we need to add this to our level blueprint. Nothing complicated, just go over here and click open level blueprint, and over here right click, type in event begin play. So every time you start your game, you want to show the button. So you want to show the widget, we want to show this widget. This is our button, so drag and drop, type in create widget, and over here you can see class, and you need to find your widget. This is the widget that we created over here in our content drawer. This is URL widget, so we need to find the URL widget, and it's over here in the drop down menu. And we want to add to the viewport, so click add to viewport, connect this return value with target self and hit compile. And now if we hit play, we can see, I will go F11, you can see the button on the top left corner. If I go Shift F1 and move over the button, I can click on the button, but it will lead to nowhere. So we'll go back, F11 to go back from the full screen. And we now need to add a functionality to our button. Open your URL widget, select your button, make sure it's selected, the button, not the canvas, and scroll down. When it says on clicked, we want to open website when we click the button. No, not press, released or something else, or you can do this. It's up to you. Hit plus button. And over here, just drag and type in URL and click this launch URL. And over here, under this pink URL string, you can just copy paste your URL. I will paste my channel, for example, and hit compile. And now if you go to the third person map, and hit play, F11 full screen, and if I go Shift and F1 to click open website, click it, it will open the website. And now let me show you how to make this with the collision box. For example, over here on this slope, we will add collision box and we will open website when we are colliding with something. This will be our invisible part of our level. To do that, we will go over here and in this drop down menu, we will choose trigger box and drag and drop your trigger box here. You can make it a little bit bigger and make sure that your trigger box is selected. You can select it in your outliner over here. If you can't select it like this, if you can't precisely select it over here, you can always select it in the outliner. After that, we will go to our third person map. And over here type in event and make sure to find this collision add on actor begin overlap. This means when we go with our actor, our actor is our third person character. When we contact our trigger box, it will open the website. And from here, it's very easy. Same old, drag and drop, URL, launch URL, channel name, compile. Go to third person map, let's go play. And now if you go over here where our trigger is, we can open our website. It's open down there. For the 15th time, you can see we have these two websites open every time we trigger with our trigger volume. And this is it. I hope you find this easy to understand and to follow. If you like this, drop some comments below and drop some subscribes if you want to be informed about the new content on this channel. And as always, have a nice day and be good. Bye bye.